Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique. And
So in this video, I'm just going to show how to translate an entire document to your language. It's easier on Google Docs. If you're making a file on Word, it doesn't matter. You just upload it on the Google Docs and translate your document to whatever the language that you want. For an example, I just take a sample letter. So I just need to translate it. I already translated to my language Tamil. So you can easily translate your letter for Tamil or your language like French, Japanese, whatever. So okay, let's do. So first of all, you just need to click on the tools option here. Then you just go to the option called translate document. So just click this. Then you can have a new document title here. You can easily edit it and just choose your language. So now I just going to change to Arabic. There is a lot other languages that you can change. For an example, Malayalam, Latin, Marathi, and so on. So there is a lot of language. You can see a list of languages from here. So now I'm just going to translate to the Arabic. So just click your language and click on translate. So it's need internet and it's automatically changed the full letter to the Arabic language. So this is so simple. So you can change any document or whatever in language. For English, you can change it to Arabic or Tamil that you want. So it's so simple. Try this on Google Docs now. And if you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel, subscribe this channel, and we will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.